So I'm so inspired by each and every one of you because I know that you are all excited to give your best. So these values transcend sports and they're essential life skills. So atleta din ako, 20 years na akong athlete. Tagal ko nang naglalaro para sa Pilipinas. So alam ko yung mga pinagdadaanan nyo as athletes. So to all women out there, let's keep pushing boundaries and keep inspiring each other. So let's show the world what we're made of. So girls, let's play, let's empower, and let's conquer. Let's go!
Thank you very much, Miss Agatha Wong. And now, alam ko, sabik na